Good morning, teacher. We're the group number 4, and this is the Kyle listening paper explanation. So in this part, we're going to talking about structure, general information, tips for each part, and possible solutions and examples. Okay, now we're going to continue with the general information about this exam. Okay, this exam takes around 40 minutes. So it's important to keep in mind the time because when we listen, maybe we don't have to listen twice. So we need to be really careful. And the exam is divided into 4 parts. And the questions in total are 30 questions. Okay. This exam is equal to the 20% of the total score or the total 100%. This is equal to the 20%, this exam. Okay, about the part number 1. Okay, in the part number 1, candidates will be listen conversations, okay, short extracts for conversations, and they need to answer two questions about the recordings, okay? So that means that the sub skills that will be developed in this part is listening for general information. Okay, listen for general information, and here is an example, okay, and some useful tips that we use for this part. Okay, in this part, we need to listen carefully, but it's important that we read before to listen. We really need to read before because we need to identify the keyword, okay? Identify the keyword for each question and for each option, okay? For example, how does the man feel about the work? Keyword, work, and feel. So here we have the options, and we need to really be careful with when we select these words. For example, creativity, academic, and satisfaction. Okay, so when we listen all the record, but we need to identify this general or main end of the listening. That's all, and thank you.